Hello and welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're doing great. Don't forget, we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today, we are talking about something really cool, the Matchbox Toyota 4Runner. Before we get into the details, let's unbox it. Let's get into the detail. It comes in the vibrant combination of red and maroon, with detailed tail lights and the headlights. You can see the Toyota 4Runner on the trunk. Overall, it's a meticulously crafted die-cast car that looks like a real Toyota 4Runner. As it is a small toy car that's a mini version of the real Toyota 4Runner. It's a special toy because it shows us that what the real car looks like and its history. Matchbox has been making this toy car since 2010. Took a short break in 2016 and then started making it again in 2020. The real Toyota 4Runner is a popular car for adventures because it's strong, can drive off-road, and it's comfortable. This makes it great for road trips, camping, or exploring new places. So the Matchbox Toyota 4Runner is not just a toy, but a collectible item for those who love cars. And the best part? There is a special 70 years edition available on Amazon that celebrates 70 years of Matchbox making mini version of popular cars. How cool is that? So if you are a car lover, this is something you might want to add to your collection. For more exciting stories, history, and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.